Hi, and welcome to my video where I'll show you how to quickly transform a boring floor plan into a photorealistic 3D floor plan. First, let's install the software we need. Go to cad-floor-plan.com. Under Architecture, you'll find the Smart Home Design software. Once the installation is complete and you open the software for the first time, it's a good idea to quickly check the language settings. If the default language isn't correct for you, you can easily change it in the settings menu with just a few clicks. The next step is optional, but extremely helpful. If you already have a 2D floor plan as an image on your computer or smartphone, you can import it directly into the software as a background image. This allows you to use the existing floor plan as a template and trace it quickly in 3D. Now we move on to the next step, creating the rooms. Using drag and drop, we simply pull room elements from the library into the scene. We can position them freely and adjust their size by clicking on the walls and moving them until everything fits perfectly. Once all rooms are placed correctly, we can start defining the floor materials for each room. After that, we move on to integrating doors. For this, we open the door library and drag the desired door directly onto the wall at the correct position. In addition to standard doors, there is also an opening element that allows you to create wall openings of any size, which is perfect for open transitions between rooms. Next come the window elements. Just like doors, windows are dragged directly from the library into the walls. Here you can choose between different window styles and even decide whether you want windows with or without curtains, depending on the look you're aiming for. At this point, we can already take a look at an interim result. If we want, we can even walk through the apartment in first-person mode to get a realistic sense of space and proportions. Next, we move on to furnishing the 3D floor plan. There are many furniture libraries available. We'll start with the bedroom, then furnish the bathroom and guest bathroom. You can easily rotate or scale any element here however you like. And finally, move on to the living room with an open kitchen and a staircase to the upper floor. Along the way, we can use the photo function to take snapshots of the scene and try out different visual filters. As a final step, I like to add a bit of exterior styling. And that's it. Our photorealistic 3D floor plan is finished. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more videos.